What's up, guys, and good afternoon. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's been a minute since I've actually bothered to pick up the camera. We're coming down here in the kitchen because I'm actually heading out. Got a couple of things we gotta do for the car, myself personally. Ooh, look at the Z, she's looking clean. Except this side of the car actually still needs to get painted, which eventually we'll go ahead and get to it. Just for today, we got a couple things we gotta get done today. So, we actually need to go ahead and deliver a certain part. I need to deliver a part to AutoZone because Trevor was kind enough to let me borrow this really quickly from AutoZone. He actually ends up working there. He's a good buddy of mine. We're gonna go stop by, say hello to him, and then I pretty much need to stop by the DMV because this car is not registered, so I need temporary driving it because I don't plan on registering or getting insured. This car is actually not going to be mine. It is mine at the moment, but I am going to be selling it pretty soon to one of my buddies, Jack, so that way he has his first car since he's moved to Utah. He needs a car to drive, so we're going to go ahead and do that really quickly. Yeah, don't judge me. I did all that just so you guys could get the clip. This car is so much fun to drive. This car is so much fun to drive now that I have made the exhaust a lot louder. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. It's so loud. If you guys actually want me to make a video showing you guys how I made the car super cheap, like for $5, I'm more than happy to. I'm actually going to be making a video tomorrow, which is going to be showing you how I made my car louder without having to spend a ridiculous amount on an exhaust. It's definitely the ricer way of doing it, but hey, it's going to be pretty cool. Alrighty, guys, so we have officially made it to AutoZone.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no, my door! Have you guys ever done that before? Oh, that sucks. I want to introduce you guys to one of my good buddies. His name is Trevor.
What's up?
What's up, dude? And I actually going to show him how loud the car is, just by a simple modification. So hold the camera.
Yeah. Dang, man. That was just some washers you put in there?
Yeah.
Dang.
That was literally off of washers. So I'll show you guys in another video exactly how I made it that loud. You don't honestly have to go and spend like $400 on an exhaust, which is still good. It's still for performance. You do want to do that, but if you just want to tinker around, like they say, rice around, then you can definitely do that. Alrighty, now that we're done here with AutoZone, we're going to go ahead and head down to Salt Lake. We're going to show the person that's going to be buying this car off of me what the car looks like right now because he's been dying to see it, and we'll just take it from there. But yeah, see you guys soon.
This is my cousin Nick. I wanted to show him the car before I ended up getting rid of it. And right about now is when the next door neighbor ends up flexing his V8 with open headers. Shows how loud his Jeep is. And this is my buddy Jack, who will soon be the new owner of the 350Z.
That's all I freaking needed.
Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much the video today. It was a short one. I'm currently editing on my iPad. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I know today's video was kind of short, but I'll hopefully make it longer tomorrow. I just want to say thank you again for watching the video. If you guys wanted to, subscribe to the channel so you guys can keep up to date. Hit the post notification so you guys get to know when our videos are up. And always, never forget, work hard, kick butt, never ever stop trying. Peace out, guys.